Welcome to today's recipe. We'll be making a delicious and easy-to-make chocolate cake, perfect for any occasion, whether it's a birthday, holiday, or just a sweet treat to enjoy. Let's get started with this simple yet indulgent dessert. First, prepare your cake pan by lining the base with parchment paper. Make sure it's well secured. In a large bowl, mix the dry ingredients, flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Now, add the wet ingredients directly into the bowl with the dry mixture, milk, oil, eggs, and vanilla extract. Mix everything together until you have a smooth, lump-free batter. Pour the batter into the prepared pan, then bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius 356 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 40 minutes. While the cake is baking, prepare the chocolate topping. In a saucepan over low heat, combine 100 grams of brown sugar with 100 milliliters of cream and stir until smooth. Once the cake is baked and completely cooled, pour the chocolate topping evenly over it. Add your personal touch with decorations if you like.